Welcome to my channel. My name is Jay Brew, and I'm about to spill the beans on how I sold my latest listing in Mesa, Arizona, and got one of the highest dollars per square foot in the neighborhood. We received multiple offers in 4 days. We had 100 people through the open houses on opening weekend, and we negotiated a 5-day post-possession. Stay tuned. We had a very successful listing, open house, marketing reaction, and closing. So I wanted to deep dive and let you know what we all did to make this happen. Step 1, signing an agreement and creating a plan. Let's make sure that both parties are on the same page when it comes to the price, timelines, and making sure everyone's in sync before we move forward. Once that was done, I wasted no time. I immediately set up appointments for the cleaners, the photographers, the videographers, the sign installation, the brochure creation, advertisement placement, and lockbox installation. Time is actually of the essence in real estate, so acting quickly and having the right people is crucial. Step 2, we made the videos, pictures, descriptions, and MLS setup perfect. We need this to be able to start marketing, and I know a few people who can get this done perfect. Check out these photos for this listing here. We took twilight photos from the ground and the sky. We took multiple photos to get it right. We set up MLS input and used ChatGPT for description and storytelling. We highlighted the positives and we disclosed the negatives in the seller disclosure. Step 3, brochures and flyers. In addition to the visual appeal, I took proactive steps to create buzz around the property. I distributed eye-catching flyers to the neighbors, giving them a heads up about the upcoming open house and listing. Furthermore, I moved the listing to coming soon status in the MLS on a Sunday, which triggered a blast notification to buyers with agents. Additionally, I sent out a mass email to my contacts and agents. Days of the week matter. Step 4, to extend the reach even further, I leveraged the power of targeted Facebook ads, focusing on specific areas. This particular house garnered tremendous interest through social media, resulting in significant number of leads and impressions. Due to all the excitement, we welcomed more than 100 people to our opening weekend of open houses. Step 5, as we approach the launch on the market, I transitioned the property from coming soon to the for sale status on a Thursday. This strategic timing is when buyers search sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, the most for open houses. This will again be blasted to agents and buyers while also publishing on online sites. Step 6, contrary to what some may say about open houses being ineffective, I firmly believe this is the best start to your home exposure. It gives us a reason to market, advertise, and get some showings right off the bat. The open house weekend turned out to be an incredible success despite the scorching heat of 113 degrees. We had an amazing turnout of around 100 people in 2 days. I made sure to extensively promote the open house on various platforms, including Facebook and local community groups. We go live with the listing on a Thursday when many online buyers are looking for weekend open houses. This is when it gets put on all the popular websites. Step 7, there's a lot of behind the scenes action that takes place, following up with agents and leads by building strong relationships and maintaining open lines of communication. When it came time to the appraisal, we were concerned because we are getting one of the highest values in the neighborhood. So you meet them head on and let them know we received multiple offers. We had 60 groups through over 100 people through for the open houses. We give them all the showings that took place and then explain all of the upgrades and not mention a few things to give a reason why we had a lot of value in the house. And it worked out. It appraised. There you have it, my friends. Incredible success story. And I walked you through every step of the journey. If you're thinking about selling your own property, I'd absolutely be delighted to join you at the dining table and personally guide you through this very process. But for now, take a moment, visit my website at jbrewgroup.com, where you'll discover many valuable tips and information, and the selling page. Until next time, happy selling.